Family. I'm Stephanie Made. I'm Habassia, helping your brothers and sisters in Africa, and I'm also the one and only Creole Griotess. How y'all doing today, y'all? Me, myself, I'm doing lovely. I'm just stopping by one of my favorite places in Galveston, which is like the end of the island, or the east end of the island, where you can see the boats out there on the Gulf of Mexico, which leads into the Atlantic Ocean. But y'all, it's just so pretty, and the birds just doing their thing, y'all. I'm gonna turn the camera around in a bit so y'all can see. But how y'all doing today? No matter where you are in the world, I hope you're having a fabulous day and a blessed day. If this is your first time coming to my channel, welcome to my channel. And if you're coming back, welcome back. If you have not subscribed, please do. Yeah, for real. Stop what you're doing right now and hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell and give it a thumbs up, because I know you're going to like it. I love telling stories, y'all. I do it verbally and I do it visually. I love to show you lots of footage at the end of photos, because they say a picture says 1,000 words, so I have lots and lots of words at the end through the visual arts. But anyway, y'all, I'm looking at the water and it's just so relaxing to me. But anyway, y'all, I just went to the primary care pavilion because I had something I had to do there, y'all. You know, we try to keep ourselves prepared at all times, so it won't be no excuse not to travel when it's time, y'all. And while I was there, I picked up some reading material because I love collecting stuff, especially when it's free. This is one of the magazines that they was giving away called Easy Living Texas Gulf Style. Talking about winter retreats and all of that. And y'all know my winter retreat is Gambia. The Gambia. But that's not one of the retreats they showing. Then at the grocery store where I got a few items, they had another magazine called Galveston. And lots of pretty pictures in there, y'all. And no, I don't live in those twin towers there. But they're pretty. Even if I won the lottery, y'all, I wouldn't be living in them. I'd be doing something else with my money, but that's a personal choice. So anyway, I saw this little article, and it said senior news. It says serving seniors and caregivers with information to improve the best time of life today. And it's talking about scams and unsuitable investments. So you see, people have to be cautious of scammers no matter where you are in the world. Like I say, people are the same everywhere. Oh, people will scam you anywhere in the world, y'all. You just have to be cautious. Oh, so anyway, let me turn this camera around so y'all can see what I'm seeing. Before I get out of the car, I wanted to show y'all what I got at the grocery store. Zucca brown sugar, that's supposed to be pure cane sugar, was $1.19, marked on the shelf 99 cents. So you see, inflation is going so fast that they can't even keep up with the pricing. And banana nut muffin, what used to be half the price, one little pack of muffin was $1.49. Really needed 2 packs to make a whole little muffin pan, but a half a muffin pan gonna have to do. And evaporated milk was $1.29. I use that for my coffee. So evaporated milk, $1.29. See, just a little generic one. That's fine. Milk, as my mama would say. And then the sugar for $1.19. That still was a good buy. Zucker brown pure cane sugar. So it's better for you than the white sugar. But anyway, y'all, people are already doing what I'm doing. Some of them came after me, and they just enjoying the day. So I'm open this door and let y'all see a better view. And I forgot to say, y'all, the total that I spent was $6 and let's see. I paid a whole $3.97 for what I bought. That was the total amount, because in Texas you don't pay cash on groceries. So it was $3.97. So really wasn't too bad, even for Texas. Okay, guys, this camera was so cold I had to hit it 3 times. So at the start out here, I was like, I want to go back to Africa. I know that had to be what it's saying. The seagulls flying all low. I hope they don't think I'm trying to feed them and coming in closer. Y'all know I had a bird phobia and I'm over it, but I still not a fan of being all close on birds. But I do like looking at all of their bird songs, and I love sharing what I'm seeing with you guys. So I'm walking amongst the birds because I know they just but I'm not afraid of them. I ever think I'll be in a I'm trying to feed them close or something. I guess I should have brought my potatoes out here. That would have been a good way to feed them. I could have just thrown it away and they would have eaten it. Because these little tough birds, they can eat anything. Including Okinawa sweet potatoes just cut up. I believe so. But anyway, y'all, look at the water. They're so beautiful. Cloudy day though. Very cloudy day. You can hear the birds. They sound so pretty. All the blackbirds, seagulls. I guess they say they'll get warm together. I know they looking pretty though. They probably looking at me saying the same thing. I know what that old woman doing. Looking at us, looking at her. They might actually come out here so they can look at the people that's looking at them. You know how Southerners are. We social, even the birds are social, gathering all together. Nobody fighting each other, nothing. Look at the ships on the ocean, y'all. Barely can't see them because of the fog. It's chilly out here, but not bad. But anyway, y'all, I just wanted y'all to see a little bit the east side of my island. It's chilly, but I'm walking much better, y'all. I'm feeling much better. Have a wonderful and blessed rest of your day. And until next time, y'all, I did play the lottery. So hopefully I'll win so I can be back in the Gambia doing more projects for Habasia. Till next time.